What's going on, guys? My name is Josh Mclaren, and I wanted to come to you, say hello, and introduce myself, as well as, ready? Boom, this guy right here. Guys, this is Declan. He's our little baby. Not for too long. Lean, mean fighting machine is 7 months old and is having a good time. But guys, recent job change allowed me to spend a lot more time with him, which I'm super excited about. One of the things that we get to do is get into a lot of trouble, right? No. We're fixing things, right? We fixed the dishwasher today, but we're not 100% sure. Guys, the reason that I wanted to put some of these videos out is not to do anything crazy on YouTube, but it's to allow our families to watch this little guy grow up, as well as watch our family dynamics change and kind of keep an idea of what we're doing. My mom and dad live towards just north of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. It's about 4 hours from where we are right now. And my wife's family lives in Tioga County, Pennsylvania. It's right against the northern border. They're about 2.5 hours from where we are right now. But guys, had a big job change in my life recently that allowed me to spend a lot more time here with Declan. He's having a good time. And guys, my wife is a nurse up in Erie and works 3 12s a week, and so that allows me obviously 3 full days home with him a week, which is a lot of fun. But guys, we're on a 5-year plan. There it is, 5-year plan to own and run a dealership. And so guys, you get to stay tuned and watch our lives obviously change. This is just one step and one transition into that plan. And guys, I just wanted you to be a part of it. But more so than that, I want to be able to stay connected with our friends and family that are scattered all over the place. So guys, we have a lot of cool things coming up. We have some weddings coming up all over the place in Maine, Canada. We just finished up with one in Ohio, had a blast at them. But guys, you get to come along with us, enjoy the ride, spend some time with us, and guys, I hope you like it. But like I said, I just want our moms to be able to see what's going on. So here you go, Mom. Shot of the baby, so that way you can see him grow up. Declan, what do you say? What? We're coming up with a cool catch line. But guys, we'll see you next time. What's up? Okay, what's going on, guys? We have a little bit of a project in store for today. May or may not have put a load of dishes in last night. Hit the play button. 5 minutes later, you know how you do it. You walk around the house, you find something that's randomly sitting somewhere after you double-checked yourself. Grab the cup, come over, pop the door, and guys, there's water sitting in the bottom. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. So what do? I immediately shut it off. And thought, I'll give it the old soak or try. Let it set all night long and maybe it'll drain itself. I don't know what I was thinking. Came back in the morning and there was still the same amount of water laying in there. Watched a couple YouTube videos like all good men do and found myself elbow deep in, man, it's so gross. I wish it wasn't so gross in there, but it was super, super gross. Shop vacked it out and maybe disclogged everything. I don't know, unclogged everything. But guys, I tore the whole thing apart. I got all my screws up top here. Stay organized, fellas. And I have the other parts in the sink here. The old power spinny right here. But guys, got it all back together, or cleaned, and I'm getting it back together right now. Cross your fingers. We don't know if this is going to work or not. Got my supervisor right here, obviously, so that way we can make sure, right here, Declan. We can make sure that we're keeping everything up to code. Gooseman's wandering around here somewhere. But guys, we're going to see. Hang on. We got to see if we can get this thing. Okay, guys. Something bad might have just happened. I mean, not bad, but like, I cleaned this and got it all back together. I just got off the phone with my mom, and apparently, on the dishwasher, it will run for a little while, come down to the normal wash, and back around here, and somewhere in this section it will drain. Apparently it doesn't drain the whole time, and The supervisor wasn't paying much attention, but we might have fixed a perfectly good dishwasher. I'm not 100% sure. But great news is squeaky clean. Stay tuned. We're going to see if it drains when given the full cycle. All right, fellas, moment of truth. Definite water laying in the bottom. It's either going to be really good or it's going to be really bad. Keep going. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Buzzer just went off. Boom. Boom. Bone dry, baby. Bone dry. Moral of the story, maybe call your mom first and ask her how a dishwasher actually runs. But guys, this was a good one. I feel a little dumb, but also glad that the old dishwasher is squeaky clean, ready for some power washing, because that's all we do right here, right, Declan? So guys, until next time, this is Josh and Declan. See ya.